I'm going to show how to work with arrays and tuples in Python. So this is a very interesting way of working with arrays and tuples. So basically, first we define an array, then we create tuples for the data that will be inside the array, and we add the tuples. So the tuples will be the items of the array. That's something that has a lot of advantage. Let me show it. So basically, this is the output. Let's take a look at the code. So the first thing, I use Colorama for the colors. I use this basically to give color to the column names, and I print the header with the columns in here, so nothing special in here, and I print the students' data in here. As you see, it's a simple loop through the array, and then we take the tuples. The tuples are accessed by index like the arrays. The difference is that tuples are read only. So basically, we access the name, the specialty, and the score by position in the tuple. So name, specialty, and position, and then we print them. One of the good advantage of this is that we can sort it in a very nice way using lambdas. So I have created this function that basically sorts the array based in a key that, in this case, is a lambda that returns the index from the tuple that I have specified as parameter. So, for example, let's show it. Remember, we had this assorted. Imagine that we want to sort the students by the score, which is the column, is the third column, which is the 0, 1, 2, the number 2. So we will do like, we will call our function, we will pass the students array, we will pass the index. The index we said 2, which is the score, and then we want it reversed. So we get then the array sorted by the score. If I didn't reverse, I will have got the reverse order, from less to more. So let's, for example, sort by the name of the student, and it sorts alphabetically, or by the specialty. So that's super convenient. One thing that is amazing from working this way with tuples is that if you want to add more data to your structure, you don't have to change the logic. So, for example, imagine that I want to say here which city is each person. So, for example, or in which city they studied. Let's say Jaume studied in Barcelona, Laia studied in Girona, let's say Albert studied in Tarragona, let's say Sid studied in Valencia, and let's say Michela studied in L'Alguero. So, okay, and now we have added a new field, and everything will work the same, and we can just, if we want, we can sort by this column now, but we are just gonna add to the headers the new field. So following the same logic, we will do like, we'll see like let's place, we'll say place, here it's place as well, and then here we will add a place color, and here we will add the equal signs, so it looks more pretty basically. And this is repeated as long as the place in black and white characters has. Okay, and now finally we will have here a new field which is place, and it will take the new index in the tuple that we have created, and we will finally for the justify, I will say 10 positions, and then we will print the place justified to the right with 10 positions as well. Okay, so if we run this now, we have this new column, and then we can now sort by this just by changing the index, which will be the number 3, which is the 4th position. So it has been sorted. Thanks for watching.